Good afternoon everyone, I'm Andy. Thank you for watching. Welcome back to my garden. Now today's video I just want to quickly talk to you a little bit about the Omlet automatic chicken coop door opener. So I've just cleaned out the hens, I'm just waiting for the interior trays to finish drying after a quick jet wash. And I thought let's have a quick look and I'll share my thoughts on whether or not it's worth having an automatic door opener on your chicken coop. Firstly then, let's talk about the benefits of having an automatic door on your chicken coop. Now, for me, the biggest benefit is the fact that you haven't got to think about getting out of bed at 5 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday, in the middle of summer, to manually open the hatch on your chicken coop and let your hens out. So if you're in the sense of, if you're an early bird and you don't mind getting up early, and then going to bed late, then fine, fair, that's great. And to be honest, I lasted quite a long time without the automatic door on the coop behind me. But it did get to a point where I'm thinking, bloody hell, it's a bit early now. My alarm's going off at 5:45 in the morning on a weekend. I don't really fancy this anymore, so I invested in the automatic door. So for me, that's a great benefit. The fact that you haven't got to think about it. You literally set the time, which I'll cover in another video. It's so easy to do. Set the time, off you go, the door opens, your hens come out, and then the same again at night as well. So you can just sort of see behind me, that's the door there. It's all on a kind of pre-timer setting, and then on the inside, so I'm just waiting for the internal things here to dry, but on the inside, there we go, turn you around. So that frame there is the door, and that green door is essentially the automatic door. So all of that comes as one. But in terms of setting it up, it can be a bit fiddly. It's not too difficult. There was some effing and jeffing going on when I was doing it, certainly with the wiring and things like that, just trying to make it look tidy. But is it worth having? Is it worth having an automatic door? And I've got to be honest, and I think the answer is yes. It just kind of gives you that extra bit of freedom. You haven't got to think about getting up early. You haven't got to think about going to bed late. The door does the job. As long as your chickens, as long as your hens are tame enough and they know where their bed is. So my girls here and Frank, they at dusk, they take themselves to bed by themselves. I haven't got to think about it, so I know that the door will be shut at whatever time it's set to, and then in the morning it's the same thing. So yeah, that's definitely the kind of main driving force behind it. I've got to show you Monty here. Look at him. He's having a good back scratch. Say hello, Monty. Yeah, good boy. So next up then, let's just kind of talk about price. So price wise then, this automatic door is certainly up there in the kind of premium range of doors. There are cheaper ones on the market. I have no experience with the cheaper models. I've seen feedback on kind of certain ones and it hasn't been great. But in terms of the price of the Omlet automatic coop door, then it starts at £159.99, so £159.99p. If you then start looking at additional add-ons such as a Coop Lite, that will obviously increase the cost. Then depending on what your setup looks like, you then have to buy additional fixtures for the control panel. So if you've got a Mark 1 or a Mark 2 setup currently, you can click that and that will add that to your basket. All it is just a little kind of steel panel that you just attach to the coop. If you haven't got an Omlet coop, it doesn't matter. You can still buy the attachments for the actual unit itself for that. So it's universal. It's not just specific to Omlet's range of products, which is a massive sort of selling point really. But it is up there on the it is up there in the steep bracket in terms of cost. So in terms of the control panel then, this is what it looks like. So there's a battery unit behind all this. Put in some standard batteries, and then this is what it looks like. So it's got my close time on there at the minute, battery percentage. You can then set it to so time is what I've got it set at. So at 18:35 it will shut, and then at whatever time in the morning it'll open. That's the time now. So it opens at 6:50 in the morning, closes, there you go, just after 6:30. Night light, so as I said, I haven't got the light set up with this, but if you have, you can obviously change that to yes, and then you can just reset it. And it's that easy, it really is. So for me, it just sits there nicely. The wiring, I've just cleaned all this, so that's all popped out, but I'll sort that out later. And then, as I said, that's the unit itself in there, but I'm just about to jet wash all of this, so I thought I'd share this with you quickly. And then yeah, they tuck themselves off to bed at night, door shuts. So in summary then, would I recommend this product? 100% I would. As I said, I've got no experience with cheaper models of door openers, but from my experience using this one, it's great. I mean, the battery life on it is fantastic. It doesn't really use up that much energy. If you think about it, all it's doing is kind of staying in standby mode all day, and then it shuts and opens. So how long have we had this now? I reckon I'm probably about 12 months. I've changed the batteries once. So the battery life's really good. Yeah, it's a bit steep in price, but in my opinion it's worth it. With Omlet you pay for what you get. So I would highly recommend the product. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Take care.